Hey everybody, so I just walked inside of Burlington and I wanted to take a look and see if they have any like new spring purses out. I'm not sure what this one is, but it's $19.99. You got BB for $29. Here's Guess. This one is Nanette Lepore and it says retails for $118, but it's $34.99. I'm actually in the process of looking for a new purse, even though I don't feel like I need one. So that's kind of what drove me to come here. $29.99. What is this? Madden Girl. That's like a backpack. I don't know what that is. BG. That's a Nanette Lepore back there with that letter N on it. And I don't see the price on that one, but this one is $19.99. This is cute. Look at this. They got the wood handle, all that detail. This is Max Studio. That's kind of cute. Adrienne Vittadini for $29.99. That's really nice with the little lock. BB for $24.99. They got a bunch of this Nanette shoulder bags for $29.98. What is that? A cute little backpack for $19.99. Never too early to get some back to school stuff before they start raising the prices. Here's a Guess bag for, I thought that was $29. $39. Oh, I like this Steve Madden crossbody. Look at that, and it has the Steve Madden on the front right there. I like the big straps like that. And this is $24.99. Oh, it comes with this too. That's pretty. Betsy Johnson retails $98 and it's $32.99. Cute little spring bag. Mark, let me see, Mark New York, Andrew Mark back there. And another backpack. Here's another Betsy Johnson with this giant bow for $39. Kind of cute. Look at this Michael Kors bag. Let's see, where's the price at on that one? That one is $109 and it has all that pretty gold hardware. Here's a BB bag for $34. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. I like that. What is this? $29. That's 9 West and that's $29.99. Here's another Michael Kors bag for $119.99. That one is cute. It has the little pockets on the outside part. Calvin Klein retail $188 at $79. Calvin Klein $69. Another one for $79. Oh, this was my bag. I used to have this one for $89, but it didn't have this tassel. I like that. This was like one of my favorite tote bags. Then over here they put everything pink. Steve Madden, that's cute, $29. I like these purses with the scarves on them. That's really cute. That one has bows on it. That's Betsy Johnson for $34. Cute little backpacks. I'm not gonna go through every single one. This one has hearts on it, $39. What is this? It's a cute little Guess bag. And that is only $39.99. Really pretty for spring. And more Betsy Johnson. Down here they got some fanny packs. That one is Guess. $24. They got Steve Madden with the big strap on those for $19. I like that one. Mark Anthony. And that one is $19.99. Here's some more on this back wall. Is that Michael Kors? Yeah, that's Michael Kors. Look at that. That one is really nice. That's like one of those. That's $149. I don't know what that's called. Is that like a doctor's bag? The shape of that one? That's real nice. DKNY for $69. Here's the red bags. 9 West, 29. Lots of Betsy Johnson. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. That is so cute for $34.99. Lord knows it's not for me. That's Betsy Johnson. And it's a bunny and it comes with a little rabbit. I mean, a carrot coin purse. How adorable is that? Here's an Aldo bag. Retail for $54.99, but it looks like somebody snatched the price tag off of that one. Calvin Klein 9 West for $29. And what is this one? That's also another 9 West for $29. Here's another Michael Kors bag. Looks like it has lace on it with a gold strap, and this is $99. London Fog. And they got some Tommy Hilfiger, $24. Is this the sack? Yeah, here's the sack bags with the cute little keychain that you get with that. And these are only $24.99. This is like a backpack. The little, you know, backpack type purse. Those are cute. Here's a Steve Madden backpack, green and black. I like those colors. No price on that one. Then you get into all the blues. Mainly Tommy Hilfiger. Here's some Beverly Hills Polo Club for $19.99. Steve Madden, $39. What is this? I like that. $24.99. I don't think there's a name really on this one, or let me see, Bueno Collection. I like this Calvin Klein bag right here. That is really cute. That's really cute. Where's the price at on that one? The price on this one is $79.99, but I like that. And then here's some Michael Kors. Here's another. They got a lot of Michael Kors today. $119 for that. DKNY. What is this one? Calvin Klein for $109. And then right here is a Cole Haan bag with the tassel and the gold hardware, and that is $99. It's really nice. Another Calvin Klein. And then down this row is all the black bags. Nanette Lepore. Cute little backpack bags. Lots of Betsy Johnson and Steve Madden. And Nanette Lepore. This Steve Madden backpack purse is $37.99. I actually like that. And look at this one. This is Jennifer Lopez. I didn't know she had a collab with Guess, but it's $42.99. It says Jennifer Lopez. And this is what her little collab looks like. Kind of cute. Let's see. What is this? Another Nanette Lepore. I'm going to have to look her up because I'm not sure. I don't even know who she is. I just know that I keep seeing her brand in Burlington mainly. But that was pretty. It was $34.99. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is a cute Steve Madden bag. Look at that. It's kind of flat. It kind of looks like a Western style bag. Oh, it opens up pretty big. I like that one. And this is $29.99. So here's some cute pom-poms. This one is a fox. That one is a tiara. That one has a little bow on it. Here is a ladybug. Look at that unicorn. And these are $5.99. These are so cute. And then I also see this one with the little bag charm. Yeah, $5.99. BCBG wallet for $14.99. Oh, this one is pretty. Stone Mountain. How much is that? I don't see a price on that. Unicorn wallet for $12.99. Here's one by Nautica for $13.99 with the little flamingos on it. This is cute. Jessica Simpson with the pretty flowers. No price on that one either. Just guess. I just can't find the prices for these wallets, but they're cute. Here's a wallet with, or wallet purse with the little dog on it for $16.99. Oh, this is really cute. It has unicorns etched in it. You see that? Cute little wallet. This is, I don't see the brand, but it's $12.99. $14.99. Oh, they got some of their, they got a lot of Easter stuff out. But I didn't come here for this today. Look at this cute little bowl. $3.99. Maybe I'll come back for that. But for now, I decided to get this Steve Madden bag. That one that I thought was really, really cute. So, and it fits really nice across me. So I'm going to get this. I think it'll be a nice addition to my collection. So I'm going to get in line right now. They always put like makeup stuff over here where the line starts, but I'm gonna go ahead and get in line, and I thank you guys for coming with me while I did my little purse shopping, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at that cup. Oh my goodness, for $4.99. Oh, I love that. That is adorable. They got all kind of cups over here. See, let me get out of here. This one even has a mermaid. Be a mermaid in the sea of basic beaches. Oh my goodness. Mermaid vibes. Oh, and a burger. How much is this one? $4.99. That is cute.